Good morning, everyone. So I am on now day 2 of the 31 baby steps with the FlyLady. You gotta go potty? Okay. All right, good morning, everyone. I am officially on day 2 of the FlyLady 31-day baby step program. Where I'm taking you along for the ride, where I'm giving it a second go. So today is getting dressed to shoes. Now I know that I kind of rolled my eyes at this one a little bit when I did the FlyLady the first time. And the big thing I got hung up on, and I mean I got hung up on it, was being dressed to shoes. I live in Minnesota. I think I explained this in my first video. We don't wear shoes in the house. Like, you walk in the door, you take your shoes off at the door, and then you don't track everything in and around the house. So I would joke about having, you know, like this June Cleaver type impression in my head of being completely dressed to the nines, hair, makeup, everything. So I know I kind of laughed it off. Well, I have worked from home for many years, like long before the pandemic, and I always did get dressed and ready for work. It wasn't until I became a mom that loungewear became a little bit more accessible and more what I wore. But today I did it. I got up, I showered, and I'm wearing new shoes. I am wearing new shoes. I got these for $15. I'm gonna show them to you, and they'll be my new house shoes. Not sure if I like them, so I'm glad I'm only wearing them around the house this morning. But I am dressed, hair, makeup to shoes. Eat your heart out, June Cleaver. So anyway, we'll see if I keep these, because I don't know if I like them and that they're comfortable enough to wear every day during the day. But my task is done for today. So I know all I have to do for the rest of the day, obviously, is shine my sink, which means assuming that I do the dishes, and then shine the sink tonight. So that is what I'm gonna get done for a day 2. This is kind of turning into like the 12 days of Christmas, you know? We'll see how it goes. But I'm dressed, I feel good. My hair is clean. I still have, I'm gonna go get my stuff done for the day, and we'll see how this goes. But day 2 is in the bag. That was easy.